Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got something special for all you black car owners out there: the Turtle Wax 53448 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of this fantastic product, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews. Alright, let's get started.
So, what makes this Turtle Wax product the best car wax for black cars? Well, let's find out.
First off, it's specifically formulated for black car paint.
Black cars are notorious for showing every little imperfection, but this product is here to the rescue. It quickly fills swirl marks, light scratches, and minor imperfections in one easy step, giving your car a high-gloss deep black finish. But that's not all. It contains black pigmented carnauba wax, which not only enhances the depth of color but also provides that high-gloss shine that every black car owner craves.
Now, the real magic comes from the ceramic-infused polishing compound.
This not only provides long-lasting protection but also repels water and road contaminants, keeping your black car cleaner for longer with less maintenance between washes. And here's the best part: it can be applied by hand or with a machine polisher for optimal durability. Just allow 24 hours for the product to cure, and you'll be amazed at the results. For the best results, always start by washing and drying your car first. Shake the bottle well before use, and remember, a little goes a long way, so don't over-apply. Let the paint cure for 24 hours for that extra protection. And here's a pro tip for even better results: combine it with Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Spray Wax for easy in-between maintenance and enhanced protection. People also appreciate how easy it is to apply and how it brings out that mirror-like shine. Some have even mentioned that it works great on older cars with single-stage paint. So, there you have it, folks. The Turtle Wax 53448 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax, the best friend your black car deserves. If you're a proud owner of a black car, you owe it to yourself to give this product a try. It's the perfect solution to maintaining that sleek, glossy finish. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on this fantastic car wax. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you've used this product before, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.